Another great one we have, and we use it all the time, if we're talking to dear friends of ours or people we know very well. We wouldn't say, hello, or how are you? We'd say, well, and my mother would ring, and all I'd say to her, I'd pick up the phone and I'd go, well, sure, look at Laura, you give it a go there.
Well,
Useless.
no.
You're going home, that's what you are, you're going home the next boat.
Well,
Let's just say, Laura, you just walked in here. You just walked in, and the first thing you said to me would be, well, you didn't say hello, you didn't say anything, you wanted to come in, and what would you say if you were saying, well, how would you work it?
well,
No, that's well with no question mark. It's well.
well.
Okay.